it was 30 minutes before the deadline, and I just rushed everything, the last textures, the last everything, and then I finally got it like 30 minutes before, and I was like, yes, we're good.
A game jam is a creative sprint. It's an intense, in-person event where an interdisciplinary team of NC State students turns abstract concepts into playable games. It's about more than just code. It's about project management, rapid prototyping, and the art of working in a team under pressure.
But they also have to know how to pitch. So it's like a business competition in a way, because they have to be able to pitch to the judges, pitch their game, so they're also learning those skills.
A lot of game jams that I've done, it has burnt me out a lot. This jam just kind of relaxing, just making whatever we want. Just having fun with it was a big thing that helped.
My favorite moment would be when we put in the enemies and the character assets into it, and it came together really well.
Spending like 3 hours working on something and it finally does what you've been trying to get it to do is the best feeling possible.
Because like I could pretty much shade my art however I wanted to, and pretty much make the animations of my character to see how they should interact in game.
The most exciting part during the build process was just the first time I got to like sit down and kind of try out the game that we had been working towards, and seeing how the levels came out, how it felt to play.
Something I'm taking away from this weekend is that new skills.
Time management would probably be the biggest thing. Such a short amount of time made this really difficult.
I think persistence and flexibility, like being able to fill in cracks when you don't know how to do something, but maybe figuring out you could do something else to help instead.
You know, sometimes we were still figuring things out, and it was kind of, unclear like how it was going to go. But I thought it was really rewarding at the end. Like I think the game that we ended up with is really fun, and I'm really proud of what we did.
I'm just very happy that I got to be a part of this jam because I love video games, and that's what I'm here for. I get to finally put my skills to work and see where it took us, and I'm very pleased with the final product.
This whole event is very student-centered, but there's an entire network of alumni, industry partners, sponsors, local studios who are helping to mentor those students along and help them develop out these projects that they're building tangibly for their portfolios and career experience moving forward, where they're learning things that really can't be taught in a classroom.
The future of the NC State Collegiate Game Jam is very bright and it's exciting.
We have new facilities being built on campus that are going to enable us to house a much larger game jam than we currently have in the Lenovo Esports and Gaming Lab.
We fully expect and want to be the biggest in-person collegiate game jam in North America. That's our goal, that's our plan.
Whether you're a student ready to compete, a partner ready to mentor, judge, or sponsor, there's a place for you here.
Join us at the NC State Collegiate Game Jam in the Lenovo Esports and Gaming Lab.